Yeah, that takes some time to toss off, because these weren't just men. For instance, this one time, it had been raining for several days. And this kid, he came up to me and he gave me his last pair of dry socks. And I put them in my pocket. That's the kind of guys I had. You know? And they were being killed, you know? They were killing themselves for each other. And I mean that exactly. A little bit more selfish. And they would have been here today. And I got an idea as I watched them going down, as everything was being destroyed. One new thing was being made. A kind of responsibility. Man for man. That to bring that back onto the earth, like a kind of a monument to stand behind him, and everyone would recognize it, and it would make a difference to him, you know? And then I got home, and it was incredible. But none of it meant anything here. It was just like a bus accident. And then I went back to work with Dad and that rat race again. And I felt, what you said? Oh God. Ashamed. It felt wrong to be alive. No one had seemed to have changed. You know, it actually seemed to have made a lot of guys into suckers, and it just felt wrong to be able to open my bank book, to drive the new car, to see the new refrigerator. And sure, you can take these things out of a war, but you've got to realize that these things come out of a love that a man can have for another man, and you have to be better because of it. Because if not, what you have is really loot. And it has blood on it. And I wasn't going to take any of it. And I guess that included you.